On family this morning. It's your boy Phoenix coming to you live, man. Just doing a little walking around the park this morning, and just wanted to talk to you about something that me and my cousin was talking about. And are you doing it for show or are you doing it for promo? Think about that. You know, we get into this age where we're growing up and we realize that we need to make better business decisions and business investments. And we tend to still get caught up in saying, oh, I want to come down and look good in front of this person or that person, and you're going dead, or you get these bills that tend to stress you out and mess your relationship up, all because you want to do it for show. Now, there's nothing wrong with having these things and doing good, don't get me wrong, but you need to do it for promo first. Do it to promote yourself, to be debt free, to get out of debt, to be financially stable, to have something. You know what I'm saying? Then in the process, you know, if you want to shine a little bit, there ain't nothing wrong with it, but don't do it backwards. You know, it's 2018 and things are 2018 and things are getting worse. So you need to think about that. You know, are you doing what you're doing for show, or are you doing it for promo? Promote yourself so that way you can get a stable check and get some things and not just be in debt, not just have that look and see like, oh, you look like you're doing good, but then you're struggling trying to get a regular job just to get by. Do it for promo, not for show.